entire OREO Espresso. This idea is from this friend. You know, it can become a very interesting coffee because it has some cocoa notes, and we have the cream in here that it will give some very milky flavor, right? Alright. This really looks like coffee right now. How do you know if it's not coffee? It looks like some wet sand. It can be a good idea for pies, but let's see if it goes well with our espresso then. If this idea performs very well for the espresso, I think it's going to become a main in this series. Let's do the spready thing, and now the compressy thing. Okay. It looks compressed. I'm really confident about this one. Look. Let's see if the entire OREO Espresso will succeed. So let's go in 3, 2, 1. Let's espresso. Oh. Yeah, it's coming out, okay. It has a crema. Ooh. Well, it has a crema, which means it's good. It had some decent color, but it's not as dense as espresso. We may have some tea vibes in here. Well, this is our first glance. Let's see the taste with my tongue. I don't know what that means. Well, unfortunately, the taste is like a tea of OREO. It does have some decent color, although it splashed too much of liquid over my machine, so it did not extract so well the soluble solids of the OREO. Looking right now, it does look like toilet water. You know, many of my tryouts are going to taste like tea. I mean, is this a entire OREO tea experience? Is it possible to make an espresso entirely made of OREO? Well, technically you can, but should you do it? No! Now let's see how the OREO Puck has become. Well, that's not something good to be shown on screen. It has some texture of a brownie. Let's taste. You know, this pulp in here is very tasty. So although it didn't succeed with a decent espresso, the coffee machine actually made a very flavorful puck. Wait a minute. Well, let's improve this OREO puck with some grinded OREO. Oh yeah, that's it. That's a very decent dessert. If you want to surprise your friends with a very different approach on desserts, this is a good idea. This is definitely a win. I really like this one. Let me enjoy more of it.